Welcome to class! Today we're going to a restaurant called Maynard, here on the island of Montreal in the province of Quebec in the country of Canada. It is, of course, a vegan restaurant. Now, we're not going to be eating some healthy foods here too much. It's going to be pretty much lots of stuff covered in oil, a lot of different stuff covered with a lot of salt, but it's going to be all plant-based, cruelty-free. So, what's on the menu is going to be, believe it or not, Brussels sprouts. I know, I used to hate those things, but now I've actually grown to like them. So they're going to be baked with all kinds of spices on them. I'm going to be having a poutine, which is French fries with vegan cheese on top. I'm going to be having some wings, which are made actually with mushrooms. They're going to be in a sauce. That's going to be great. And I'm actually going to have mac and cheese. So I hope it's going to be al dente and not too soggy, because that's the way I like it. Well, we're going to go and see. Come on with me. Have you got your vegan shirt on? I do. Vegan for the animals. You ready? Well, oh, nice wooden floors. Okay, so the restaurant's called Maynard. Now, in Quebec, because of the language laws, you're not allowed to write Maynards with an apostrophe S, because that would be considered illegal, which I don't like about this province, that they have these weird language laws. Everything has to be mostly French. So here, these signs might look weird to you, because they're sort of using half English and half French words. But anyway, here's the menu, and it's all vegan. So we have choux de Bruxelles César, which means Brussels sprouts, and we have ailes de champignon, which means wings, but they're made out of mushrooms. Menu here, they have a burrito, they have waffles, and this is what we ordered. So here it is. We have some mac and cheese, and this is the thing that I most look forward to eating, because I used to eat mac and cheese like all of you guys probably do, out of a box, and it was filling, although it was completely unhealthy, full of junk. And this one has pasta in it. I don't know if these are actually whole grain pastas or not, but I love the fact that they have these little greens on top. That's great. And see, this is a small portion that we ordered, and oh my God, it is actually, oh yeah, that is really good. Oh yeah, the noodles are perfect. They are not soggy at all. They are just, oh, I could just eat this whole bowl. Next up, we have these Pogo Sticks. They look good so far. The last time I had these was before I was vegan, I think. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to tasting these. Apparently they're spicy and the sauce is a kind of sweet, so I'm looking forward to that. And they don't contain any body parts, so no weird stuff like other hot dogs do that you buy in the store. They contain like whatever, ears and gums and all kinds of weird body parts. So this is 100% plants. Yeah, looks good so far. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is really good. That is delicious. That is filling. Very tasty. Let's go and dip it again. Oh yeah. Yum. Oh yeah, that was good. And look what we have next. This is called Poutine. That's how we pronounce it here in Canada. You guys probably say Poutine or Poutine, but we say Poutine. And here we have some vegan cheese on there. The fries look good so far. They don't look too undercooked or whatever. They look dark. I like them that way. Got some little chives on here, it looks like. Yeah, let me try one. Oh yeah, that's good. Yep. just like any other poutine. Of course, you know, fries are vegan, so anybody can eat those. But this has vegan cheese, so that's what makes that special. No need to pay into the dairy industry for your cheese. This is made from, I'm not sure what, probably some cashews or some other kind of vegan product for sure. And yeah, it's good. It's kind of creamy. Yeah, I definitely approve of this. I would get this again too. Yeah. Yeah, definitely thumbs up. So one thing I didn't tell you, when I walked into this restaurant, a whole table of people recognized me, and one woman approached me and said, would it be okay if I took my picture with you? And those of you who know me know that I hate that. But I'm trying to be polite and trying to be nice, so I said to her, well, are you vegan? And she said, well, yeah, half and half. And if any of you guys know me, you know that I absolutely hate that answer. I think it's total bullshit. I felt like saying, fuck you, but I didn't. I said, well, why do you want your picture taken with me then? And she said, well, because you inspire me. I said, but I didn't inspire you. You're literally paying for the rape, torture, and murder of innocent animals who did not a single thing wrong. And she just looked at me and she walked away. I just hate that. Guys, if you ever meet me in real life, just please do not come and talk to me unless you're vegan. I mean fully vegan. I mean really vegan. Otherwise, just leave me alone. I just can't be bothered. So many of you are hypocrites. Anyway, back to the food. This is really delicious. Yeah, I would come back to this place again. Let's keep trying the other stuff. So the other thing we have here, they call these wings, and they're made with mushrooms. So they are deep fried, so of course, you know, that means that they're not exactly healthy. You don't want to be eating a lot of oil or even added salt. But apparently some people said these are really good, so I'm going to give them a try. Yeah, feel crispy, just like any other kind of wingy thing I've had in the past before I was vegan. Whoops, drip in there. Yeah, these are definitely good. Yeah, I like them. So let's see, I guess my favorite thing so far, I think, is the mac and cheese, because the noodles were not soggy and I just haven't had any in so long. I really like this too. Probably the poutine is maybe my least favorite, because I don't really like potatoes and fries that much, but it was still really good. And now we have Brussel sprouts. I know what you're thinking. Well, if you're anything like I used to be, I hated these things. But the way they make them nowadays, well, they cut them, they put some sort of marinade on them, put them in the oven, got all this vegan cheese on here, and yeah, look at that. Yeah, these are, Oh, and I feel like I'm eating something healthy at least. You know, these are cruciferous, they're actually green. If I came back here, I'd probably order a bowl of these again, just so I don't feel so guilty eating sort of junk food. At least inside, it's really, really nutritious. A big bowl of Brussel sprouts. Yeah, so that's my adventure here. Got a nice rainbow flag at the front. Got to pay, and yes, I would come back here, I think. Maynard, downtown Montreal. Time to head back. I love walking fast. It just feels so good. And look at the sky. It's September and still just an amazing day. Don't forget to always look for nature whenever you can. Trees, sky, the clouds, flowers, anything. And also, don't forget to leave some vegan signs behind. Just something so people can think about the vegan message. Just find some cardboard, write a message on it, and let it hang somewhere. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. And also, press the notification bell. Help me get all these innocent animals out of hell. They don't deserve it. They really don't, and you know it. Also, look around this channel. Be curious. Click on the other videos you see. And I'll see you tomorrow.